Hi. If you're watching this, there's a good chance you or someone you love has been told a word you've never heard before: cachexia. I'm Martin Kachanzik, one of the co-chairs of the Cancer Cachexia Network, and in the next few minutes I want to tell you what cachexia is and what we do. Cachexia is an unintentional loss of body weight that often happens in people living with cancer. It's caused by the tumor and manifests as a loss of body weight, in particular muscle tissue, as well as fatigue and loss of appetite. It affects up to 50% of people living with cancer, yet despite that, most patients have never heard the word. If you or someone you love is going through this, the most important thing I can say is, cachexia is not your fault. It's not a failure of willpower or appetite or eating enough. It's a disease process driven by the cancer itself, and you're not alone in it. The Cancer Cachexia Network is the patient and caregiver advocacy arm of the Cancer Cachexia Society, a professional scientific organization dedicated to advancing cancer research. While the society focuses on the clinical and scientific community, the Cancer Cachexia Network bridges that world with the patients and families it ultimately serves. We do three things. First, community. We run a private Facebook group for patients and caregivers and their families. It's a place to ask questions, share what's worked, and not feel alone with this. People come from many countries and many stages of the journey. Second, education. On our website, you'll find clear explanations of cachexia, what it is, what to watch for, what helps, and what to ask your care team. We make educational material for patients and caregivers and have a curated library of trusted resources. We also have a page dedicated to explaining and helping you find clinical trials. Right now, there are no FDA or EMA approved treatments specifically for cachexia, but that is starting to change. Multiple major trials are now actively enrolling drugs that target cancer cachexia. We keep an interactive map of trial sites and educational material to help guide you through talking with your doctor about the possibility of joining a clinical trial. And third, awareness. We work across the healthcare spectrum to raise awareness of cachexia. So if you're new here, welcome. Take a look around. Join the Facebook group if you're looking for community. Download our resources and talk to your care team. And know that there's a growing network of patients, caregivers, clinicians, and researchers working to make sure no one faces cachexia alone.